It's your first day on the job. Your boss casually says, "I want you to find out what category we should launch our next product in." You say, "What?" Your boss continues, "The answer will depend on what's the biggest market, what's growing, what categories are dominated by big players, how much will it cost to launch in attractive categories." You start to sweat now because your boss says, "I'll send you a few data files. Can you put together some analyses and get back to me with an answer this week?" Uh-oh. You're pretty savvy with computers, but you were full of smoky when you said these 3 words on your CV. Don't worry, we're going to solve this problem together and learn the most important functions of Excel while we're at it. Got 2 hours? Let's do this.